everybody, it's Tyler, aka Show Me Fly Guy. Hey, today we are stand-up paddleboarding on Legacy Lake in beautiful Lee Summit, Missouri. And gonna see if we can catch some largemouth on a streamer. If not, we'll always switch to Mr. Bluegill, who's always more than cooperative. So here we go. Join me on our little suburban adventure. Here we go. Moving and grooving. Okay, we are starting off with a 6-weight sink tip, streamer, largemouth bass. Engage. Got one. Yeah. Yes, sir. On the streamer. Yeah. On the sink tip, on the streamer, on the Brave. Hit like a freight train. Gonna be properly released. There we go. Legacy Lake, Lee Summit, Missouri. Don't sleep on it. Bye, sugar bear.